everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and I'm coming to you for our Monday meal. It's one of my favorite days of the week. Well, any day where I get to taste some of the food my mom's making is my favorite day. And this Monday meal is no exception. It was an Italian pasta salad that she got off of Mama Ray Ray in the Kitchen's channel. So we're going to put a link to her original video below. It was so easy, and since it's still above 90 degrees here in Texas, we needed something cold. So this is one you can put in the fridge and eat cold. But, you know, a couple of my human brothers and sisters do not enjoy cold pasta, so Mom said they could put it in the microwave if they want. But this is delicious. It has so many great Italian flavors to it, and it's so easy to make, and you can add to it what you have in your kitchen, like my mom did. So, without further ado, this is her summer Italian pasta salad, courtesy of Mama Ray Ray in the Kitchen. Hope you guys enjoy and give it a try. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hey everyone, as Yoda said, today's Monday meal is going to be a summer Italian pasta salad. I got this recipe off of Mama Ray Ray's YouTube channel, and so I'll put a link to her original recipe below. But I've changed it up a little bit, and she said you could change different things. So that's what I did. Obviously, I used gluten-free pasta because I'm allergic to gluten. So I have 2 boxes of this gluten-free Barilla penne, and then I boiled that. Was in some salt water, and I also boiled some of my corn from our garden in there too, about a cup of corn instead of using canned corn or frozen corn. So we have that in there. And then also from my garden, I needed to use these little grape tomatoes or baby tomatoes. So I cut those up and put half of those in here. So I'm doing like half of everything, and then I'll stir it and do the other half. I have some minced onions here that I'm using. I have some mozzarella cheese that I'm using. Using a couple of cloves of minced garlic. She's at a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, so I've got half a teaspoon in there right now. 1.5 cups of dressing, so I'm using the Primal Kitchens dressing and marinade balsamic with avocado oil. So she's at 1.5 cups of dressing, and she said you could use mayonnaise if you want. So I'm using Follow Your Heart's soy-free Veganese. So I used 1/2 cup of the Veganese, 1/2 cup of the balsamic vinaigrette, and then I'll use another 1/2 of the balsamic vinaigrette. Then 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt so far. And then she used salami in her recipe, like 6 slices of salami, and she used 1 box of tricolor pasta, but I'm using 2. So what I did is I've made basically pepperoni chips. So I didn't have any salami, but I had pepperoni. I put them in the microwave for about a minute on a paper towel, and then broke them up almost like bacon bits. So it's like pepperoni bits. So I got 1/2 of those on here, and then I'll stir it up and put the other 1/2. So let me show you what it looks like once it's all stirred up and done. All right, I've stirred it up. This is the finished product, and it is so colorful and so tasty. I tried it. I didn't need to add anything else besides what I showed you. It is delicious and very flavorful. So you can do to yours whatever you like. But this is my Italian summer pasta salad. I'm going to put it in the fridge until it's time for dinner. Let those flavors marry together. Talk to you later. Happy Monday.